Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the top 3 altcoins in the AI space to keep an eye on in 2023, and we're going to be using ChatGPT to aid us in that process. So before I get into these top 3 altcoins, let's talk about why I wanted to make this video. I wanted to make this video because obviously ChatGPT and AI is a hot topic right now, and Bitcoin's going to have this next halving in 2024, meaning that the supply is going to get cut into half, the supply that's entering the market every day, that is. So that usually sparks the bull market. So in preparation for that, I've been doing a lot of research on altcoins, and I know that there's a lot of room for growth in the crypto space. As you guys can see here, Bitcoin still has a 2x to get back to 1 trillion. And, it's a far long ways away from gold. And Bitcoin, I see Bitcoin as digital gold. It's obviously a lot of different things as well, but I know that we have a long ways to go in this space. You can even see ETH is sitting here at 62. Even if ETH pumped to 1 trillion, that'd be, a 5x from here. I could see ETH definitely doing a 5x from here in the next cycle. So let's start by asking ChatGPT how to get rich by investing in AI cryptocurrency. So how to get rich by investing in AI cryptocurrency. And let's see what ChatGPT responds. Investing in AI crypto can be a high risk, high reward endeavor. It's important to do your own research and understand the technology and market before making any decisions and investments. Some tips for investing in AI crypto include, and they give you a whole list of tips, and you can see it's generating this in real time. Super impressive. So I wanted to ask this question before I asked it for specific altcoins, just to see what it would say. And it even tells you, hey, have a strategy. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Keep an eye on the news, right? And here they even give you a little disclaimer at the bottom, right? So it's super important to understand that obviously ChatGPT is not just going to make you rich in any way, in any business, but you can use ChatGPT as an outline to start businesses, to get different ideas, different outlines, right? So it's going to be a super powerful tool that's going to be used, and that's going to be even used in crypto. And let's ask ChatGPT. I already did it here for us just because there's a lot of volume here on ChatGPT, so it doesn't lag. I said, what are the top 3 AI crypto coins? So it says it's difficult to definitely say what are the top 3 coins, as the value and popularity of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile and subject to change. However, some cryptocurrencies that have been associated with AI and machine learning include SingularityNet, Deep Brain Chain, Ocean Protocol. And it just says it's worth knowing crypto markets highly volatile and value of these coins can fluctuate greatly. It's important to conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor. So they even give you a disclaimer here. I mean, that's how crazy it is. They tell you exactly where they're getting these coins from, because they said, hey, they're in the AI and machine learning space. And they even said, hey, do your own research, which is great. So let's dive deeper, and let's even say, what is SingularityNet and why is it a good investment? So it says SingularityNet is a decentralized marketplace for AI services. The platform allows developers to create, share, and monetize AI models and enables businesses and organizations to access and use these models to improve their operations and services. So it's built on blockchain technology, and it uses its native cryptocurrency AGI token to facilitate these transactions. And then there's several reasons why some people might believe Singularity could be a good investment. Talk about the growing demand for AI, the decentralized approach, the strong team and partnership, potential use cases, and then I cut it out there. Clearly, there's a lot of good altcoins to invest in the AI space, but you have to do your own research. But it's pretty impressive that ChatGPT can at least output these, and then what you can do is go ahead and do your own research, right? So for Singularity, you could go on to CoinMarketCap and see, hey, what is Singularity? You can do your own research. You can click on their website over here, right? You can get taken to their website. You can learn more about their vision. You can read their white paper, right? Singularity is actually one of the projects that I'm most excited about in the AI space, because they have a decentralized marketplace. And I think this is something that could catch a lot of steam, kind of like an NFT marketplace. So here you can come to their marketplace and use their native token, which is going to be AGIX, with MetaMask, and you can kind of try out these demos, and they have different reviews. And these demos are going to be different AI-driven applications. This one's for splitting music example is one of their more common ones. So definitely check out singularity.net if you guys are interested in this, or if you guys are just interested in the AI revolution in general. Obviously, check out ChatGPT, go to CoinMarketCap, and do your research. So the next one that it mentioned was Deep Brain Chain, which is a decentralized AI computing platform. This one's going to be a lot smaller in market cap. It's ranked 717. And market cap is only 12 million compared to Singularity's 200 million, right? So a lot smaller of a project, more high risk, high reward type deal here. You can see that when it was released, probably pre-ICO investors just dumped their tokens. That's pretty typical here. We had a little bit of a run up in 2021, but I think each cycle has a different narrative. And last cycle, the narrative was not AI, of course. It was a big institutional wave. There was a lot of different altcoins popping up, and that did really well. And I'm sure it did well last cycle, as you can see here. But right now you can see this year with the AI revolution picking up, bam, it's popping off here. ChatGPT was released around here, and you can see the direct correlation here. So obviously, go into this with a game plan. Don't just go all in on altcoins. A lot of these have pumped up a lot, so they probably will dip in the short term. But like I said, if you guys want to learn more about this project, check out their website here. Go on their website and check out all about their history, their project introduction. Like I said, you can read the white paper, whatever you want to do. The last one they mentioned was Ocean Protocol. So Ocean Protocol is ranked 141, has also about a 200 million market cap. You can see it had a big run up in the last cycle as well. And now it's come back down. And then the same thing. You can see this year that it's had this nice pump here from December. So Ocean Protocol is a blockchain-based ecosystem that allows businesses and individuals to easily unlock the value of their data and monetize it through the ERC-based data tokens. So a lot of these projects that I'm showing you in altcoins have a lot of use case, have a lot of potential, but you do have to understand that crypto runs on narrative, it runs on hype. So a lot of these coins will pump just on supply demand, right? Everything is based on supply demand. So if you guys want to check out their website, go ahead and check that out. And then the last one that I wanted to mention was Fetch.ai or FET token. It's also around a $200 million market cap. And this one I think is also benefiting a lot from the whole AI narrative. It's an AI lab building an open, permissionless, decentralized machine learning network with the crypto economy. It democratizes access to AI technology with a permissionless network upon which anyone can connect and access secure data sets. So I'm not going to go in and just read articles right for you, but what I'm going to say is that there's a ton of opportunity in the crypto space moving forward. Now is the time to put your head down and build, stack as much cash as possible, dollar cost average into quality assets, and go ahead and take those risks where you see fit. So if you guys like this type of comment, I would appreciate if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks.